What are the best mops for laminate floors? Here are my full reviews of the best mops for laminate floors. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. This spin mop set from O-Cedar includes a soft microfiber strip mop and a bucket with a spin ringing mechanism. The built-in wringer is controlled using a foot pedal for hands-free use. There's no need to bend or stoop to use or wring the mop. The extendable handle adjusts from 24 inches to 51 inches to suit all heights. The strip mop head features soft and fluffy strands of microfiber that trap dust and grime. The triangular head is on a swivel mount to allow the mop to reach into corners and under furniture. When the mop head is looking a little dingy, it can be thrown in the washing machine for a deep clean. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop Kit. Messy households may need a tougher scrubbing mop. With a microfiber mop pad and in a separate non-scratch scrubber, this spray mop from Rubbermaid can handle daily, light messes as well as stuck-on gunk. The mop head features a soft microfiber mop pad for tackling daily dirt and grime. On top of the mop head, a non-scratch scrubber is useful for cleaning tough messes on all types of flooring, including hardwood and laminate. The spraying solution is held in a 22-ounce refillable bottle, which can be filled with either water or a floor cleaner of choice. The spray trigger offers on-demand spray to avoid oversaturating sensitive flooring. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Asang Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set. Keeping the mop head clean while mopping prevents dirty water from being spread around the floor. This microfiber mop and bucket set features a mop cleaning mechanism and wringer. This handy design keeps the mop clean and relatively dry for mopping laminate floors. To wet the mop, one section of the bucket contains the water in a washing groove. When the mop is dirty, a few swipes on the washing groove can knock out dirt and dust. Then the separate drying mechanism can squeeze out excess water. A couple of passes should dry the mop enough to use on laminate flooring. This user-friendly design is completely hands-free. There's no need to fiddle with a dirty mop head or squeeze the pad manually. For deep cleaning, this mop set includes 2 machine washable microfiber pads, one with ultrafine microfiber for light cleaning and dusting, the other with a microfiber and nylon bristle blend for scrubbing. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Microfiber Wholesale 18 inches Professional Mop. With an extra-wide 18-inch swivel head, this microfiber mop can quickly tackle large cleaning jobs. The wide frame covers more surface area with each swipe, and the 360-degree rotating head allows the mop to swerve around furniture. This set includes 1 dust pad and 2 mop pads, and each is machine washable and made of soft microfiber. The dust pad features a perimeter of microfiber loops surrounding a soft pad to grab and lock dust and hair. The 2 mop pads have a foam core to absorb messes and a soft microfiber outer to leave a streak-free shine. The stainless steel handle is sturdy, comfortable, and extendable, making it good for scrubbing and daily cleaning. It adjusts from 42 inches to 70 inches with a twist of the locking mechanism to reach from floor to ceiling. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. O-Cedar Dual Action Microfiber Flip Mop. The O-Cedar Dual Action Flip Mop features a dual-sided design to gently dust and mop flooring. One side has a dusting pad, with thick chenille strands to trap dust, hair, and fur. The other side has a microfiber mopping pad. The pad features gentle scrubbing strips to remove embedded dirt and grime from floors. The mop head is machine washable and is gentle enough to use on all hard floor types from hardwood to laminate. This simple and lightweight mop has a telescoping handle to adjust to different heights. The simple but functional design can help to dust and clean floors, walls, ceilings, and more for a full home clean. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.